First, mince the onion and garlic, then add it to the ground beef. Also add salt, depending on your taste. Pepper for spice. And cumin for its flavor. Mix all of it together. While mixing, add your dried basil and thoroughly mix some more, until the flavors are evenly spread. Once done, shape all of the kebab like this. For frying, use any flat pan to ensure that the kebabs keep its shape. Leave the kebabs until cook. While waiting, start making your garlic mayo sauce. Put the mayo in a container along with the minced garlic. Add water and pepper. Add salt too and mix everything well. Your kebab is supposed to look like this. After a few more minutes, you are ready to eat our take on the delicious Turkish kebab. Best eaten with garlic mayo and butter rice.